day today. Just like the good old days. It's still my winter break. I have 3 days left until I go back. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing I do every day, which is like nothing. I'm getting tested for COVID in 45 minutes because we have to do that before we go back to school. So that's like literally the only thing I have planned today. But I'm also doing something a little fun with my dog, Bridget, which you'll see. I'm really excited for that. And I'll probably get dinner with my friend Rachel. Who knows? It's gonna be a pretty chill day. Also, my skin is really bad right now and I don't know what to do about it. It's been really bad since I got home like a month ago and I don't know what it is. Maybe my skin just prefers the New York water. I'm not really sure, but it's really bad and it's affecting me. So yeah. Hi, in case you can't tell, I got my hair done. This is like my natural color, and honestly like it looks darker than my natural color, but like I don't mind. It's gonna fade in like a week because every time I go darker it fades to lighter, even though my hair is naturally dark. So just take it all in while it's still here because it'll be gone in like a week. But I think that's what's making my skin even worse. Like, it's bringing out my paleness. But in case you didn't know, I'm like a little bookworm now. Something came over me during this break. I've finished 3 books, which I never thought was possible for me. I like usually hate reading. I'm just not about it. But I've read 3 books so far. I read The Mistake, It Ends With Us, and Verity. Whoo! Verity's the best of the 3, for sure. I strongly recommend reading. It's great. It's a little distraction from your life, which is nice. It's needed sometimes. Now I'm planning on reading Meet Cute. Yeah, I just want something light after Verity. Like, that was like a lot for me. A lot of people were like, oh, I had trouble sleeping. I mean, I didn't, so I don't know if something's wrong with me or not, but it was definitely scary. But like, I don't know if I'd go as far as to say that. Anyway, I need to go to my test appointment by myself because I'm like an adult, I guess. Because I'm 18, I'm an adult, which I don't really know if I agree with that, but I guess we'll go now or something. And I'm not wearing a jacket. This is my aesthetic. We're gonna play a little game called We're Turning the Car On and we're seeing if my dad got gas. He definitely didn't. Let's see. He didn't. He drives this more than I do, so that's all I'm saying. Let's go. Woohoo, so excited. It's 44 degrees right now, which is honestly the hottest it's been in weeks. So I'm not wearing a jacket because I can handle it. I'm a Northeast girl. I can handle any weather. It's actually not true, but I'm just gonna say it until it is true. Also, I'm listening to Moon Song, which is a really damaging song, but I just can't help it because it's so good. And I love Phoebe Bridgers with everything in me, so. Ooh, that hurt. Oh my god. He went so far up. I know, it was like, damn. Okay, I didn't explain, but right now you're about to see me doing a DNA test on Bridget, which I kind of mentioned earlier, but like I didn't really specify what I was doing, because 38 Paw was nice enough to send me a little kit, because if you didn't know, Bridget is a mutt and I want to know what she is. I've been wanting to know for 12 years. So 38 Paw was nice enough to send me a kit that I used, and I actually have a little code or a link that you can use down below if you want to do the same for your pet, and use that link to get 50% off. So, okay. Yes. I have to activate it. So they just gave me like 3 little
cheek spots.
It looks like mascara. Okay. No eating for 10 minutes before. So first we need to activate the barcode. Pet name, Bridget. Pet gender, she's a female spade, right?
Yep.
Date of birth,
we
don't know.
November 30, 12 years ago.
Unique personality type. Is she the athlete, the ball hog, the couch potato, the diggy dog, the nose dog, or the smart cookie? Now, tell us a bit of information about Bridget's humans. That would be you. Okay. Tell us something special about Bridget. She's crazy.
She's very spirited and doesn't tire easily.
So true. Okay, I think I did all that.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Oh, Bridget, I feel bad. She's like, what just happened? She's like not moving. So we waited 10 minutes and then we put it back in the little seal, wrote some information, and then we're gonna put it in the envelope that they gave us. Yes. Bridget is a big fan of 38 Paw. Bridget says, thank you, 38 Paw. Yes! Hi, so the last thing you saw was me dropping off Bridget's DNA test in the mail. So I'm excited to get those results back. I'll let you know when I do. But yeah, I have about half an hour and then I picked up to go to dinner with my friend Rachel. We're getting sushi. It's like our thing. We get sushi together all the time. We're just going to a place near us that we always go to. I think in the meantime, I'm probably gonna start this book, or I'm just gonna go on TikTok, probably a little bit about, if you know what I mean. So